Today we're going to freshen up this hole by removing the old decals from a Grady White 282 sailfish. Enjoy this quick time lapse and I'll explain everything at the end. Alright, so let me fill you guys in on what just happened here. As you know, this boat we bought it used. It's 25 years old. It's lived a long life so far under the name of Full Tilt. Full Tilt is an amazing name. It's cool, it's aggressive, or fun, and you know, it's leaning forward. Great name, but we're going to give it a new name. We haven't decided exactly what that is yet, but step one was to remove the old name. So you can see where it said Full Tilt on the side. We just took that off. We use this amazing tool right here. This is a rubber decal remover. You can get a couple of these off of Amazon for very inexpensive. This thing probably just saved me 3 hours of work with a heat gun and my fingers out here and a scraper trying to peel it off and some adhesive remover, all that mess. None of it did I have to mess with because I used this one rubber wheel. I bought it in a 2-pack thinking I would need 2, but I only needed 1. So I definitely recommend one of these, any brand, as long as it's made of rubber. It goes right into any 1/2-inch drill chuck or 3/8, whatever size this is, and that was it. Absolutely amazing. Totally gone. Next step will be to wet sand the hole so we can get the shadow of the old letters going, because you can see underneath the letters is the original color of the gel coat. Outside of it is the faded color of the gel coat, which is oxidized and needs to be cleaned up. So that's it.